set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. To talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen how you simply required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The property is safe and clears that your job is surrounded. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Almost if you are facing any kind of problem, if you have already visited this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in the next video. Then stop, be safe, be happy.